Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing if you like what you see, and thank you so much to all my old and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Please, I am so sorry in advance for the noise you will get to hear in this video because my kids are very much around, so I don't know, I needed to film this video, so please ignore any noise and focus on my voice. So this morning I came on YouTube, logged in as usual, because this is something I usually do. This is something I feel like it's a normal thing. I feel like every other YouTuber, if not every YouTuber out there, does the same thing. So this is what I usually do. I usually log in, go straight to my channel to check my growth. I mean, it's normal, right? We all love to see our growth every single day, and sometimes when I see that my views are not doing really well, it kind of bothers me, and I try to think very deeply, why is that happening, and what I should do to improve. And to be frank with you guys, I always look for solutions. I always think of video ideas. I always seek for ideas from other YouTubers. My baby is here. Please guys, please, I'm so sorry, okay? So I came on YouTube and I saw this post, so I'm going to go on ahead and read the post. I have it here with me. I have it on my phone, but I'll try and leave it on the screen so you guys can read along with me. Actually, this post triggered this video. After reading this post, I thought I should make a video, addressing this, or educating, if you see it that way, educating people, because I feel like so many people are sitting not knowing what to do, thinking negatively, and jealousy has also become the order of the day in our lives. So after reading this, I'll go on ahead and say what is in my mind. So the post, okay, first of all, before I read this post, I want to say how I came across this channel. I'm not even subscribed to the channel. So some time ago, I was searching for something on YouTube. I went on the search bar and typed in what it was I was looking for, and so this channel came among the recommended videos. So I had to click to watch because the thumbnail and the title got my attention. I had to click to watch the video, and this boy is amazing with YouTube tips. So that was the video I watched, and ever since then YouTube kept recommending this channel. Anything he posts, whenever I log on YouTube, most of the times, or sometimes if I must say, I see one or two of his videos or his post, his community post. So this one is actually one of his community posts that he posted yesterday, but I'm seeing it this morning, you see. So the thing is that whenever you watch a video from a channel, YouTube kind of recommend more of that channel to you, whether you are subscribed or not. YouTube will continue to recommend that channel to you. So that is what happened here. So like I said, I came in this morning on YouTube and I saw his post. So the post goes like this: how many times have you been told that the only way to live is to get a college education and a secure job? If you've been told that this is the only way to life, then you've been lied to. Maybe not knowingly, but most people don't realize that there are so many ways of making money and building a real business online. My favorite way of doing so is by running niche YouTube channels where you don't even have to show your face. Now that brings me to why I'm making this video. So many people are out there not knowing what to do. Maybe you have gone to school, acquired all the knowledge, all the education, and you are still searching for a job. You don't know what to do. You don't even know where to start from. You feel like the whole world is against you. Your world has come to an end. Let me tell you, there are opportunities, especially here on YouTube. Did you hear what this young man said? That his favorite way of doing so is by running niche YouTube channels where you don't even have to show your face. And okay, on the picture itself, he says, I'm only 20. He is only but 20 years old though. And he runs 9 different YouTube channels, 3 companies, and did it all without a college education. That, in fact, this is the one that really got me. This is the one that hit me so hard, and I said I must make this video today. He runs 9 different channels, YouTube channels, and who knows if he's the owner of a Bestie channel, Tasty channel, Tips channel. I think that's what they call it. All those channels that has millions of subscribers. How am I sure he's not the owner of those channels? Like, you know, because I don't know. You are sitting there, you are thinking that you have to show your face before you can make a YouTube video. No, you don't really have to show your face. There are so many video ideas or channel ideas you can look up on YouTube. Mukbang, you can do mukbang without showing your face. Yes, there are ways to do it. You can search it up on YouTube. You can do cooking videos without showing your face. You can do educational videos without showing your face. Like, there are so many channel ideas out there that you can do without showing your face. Okay, don't stay and be saying there is no job for me to do. I know it will take quite a little bit of time for some people to get to that monetization stage, but it is better to start now and build up. Some people come to YouTube today and in less than 1 week they are already monetized. Yes, some people are that lucky, while some people will stay months before they get monetized. It depends. It depends on the type of content you are creating. Now, what again am I trying to say from this post? That he has 9 different channels, and I have also watched a video here on YouTube where someone was saying, I don't know why someone will have up to 20 channels. Is it not greediness? Is it not greed? Like, I used to think that way before, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. You guys know that I keep it very real in this channel, on this channel. I'm not going to lie. I used to think that way. Like, how can you own up to 4 or 5 channels? Like, how can? And I have come to understand that it is not greed. It is called smartness, however you want to put it. It is not greed at all, provided that you are physically, emotionally ready to handle the channel. If you are able to handle the channel, it is not greed. It is called smart and hard work. Yes, I put it that way, smart and hardworking. These days, people are looking for different ways to make money. People are looking for ways to make money. So it is not a sin, it is not a taboo, it is not an irony, it is not a crime if you have up to 20 channels, provided that you are ready to handle those channels. You can open as many channels as you want here on YouTube. As long as you are ready, you can go ahead and do that. So there is no need for talking, there is no need for jealousy, there is no need for envy, talking about how can someone open this channel, open that one, open that one, open that one. That is greed. It is not greed. It is called hustling. It is called hard working. No matter how rich you are on earth, you still want to be rich, richer and richer. Nobody wants to remain poor. Nobody wants to be poor. Even if you think that you've gotten enough money, like you don't even know what to do with your money anymore, you can begin to give that money to people, homeless people. There are people out there who do not have anything to do. They don't have food to eat. You can give the money out to them. So why I'm making this video is to tell us to quit the jealousy, the envy. I know there are some times when these spirits of envy and jealous will come inside me, and I try to rebuke it. It is only normal for us human beings to, get that once in a while. You get jealous over someone's success, especially here on YouTube. Probably someone you think you are higher in subscriber count. The person is getting way more views than you. It is only normal to get jealous, to get angry, but don't allow it to, get deep into you. Don't allow it to eat you up. I have come to such situations. Sometimes I feel, oh, what am I doing wrong on my channel? Why am I not getting views? Why is this person's views higher than mine? Why can't I get as much views as this person? But most of the time you find out that all videos cannot do well here on YouTube. There are some that will get crazy views, some will not get views at all, some will get medium to low views. It is only normal. All your videos cannot perform well. It is not possible. Some will perform well, some will not. And sometimes those people that you are looking up to, you are envying, you are jealousing, they have a different niche, or even if they have the same niche as you do or as you have, the way they put out their own content is not the way you put out your own content. And probably his or her own audience is not the same with you. You don't have the same audience with the person. So I don't see any reason why we should envy that person. It is okay to envy in a positive way, but letting it eat deep in a negative way, letting it eat you up in a negative way is a no-no. We should try as much as possible to avoid that. Let us stop having this spirit of jealousy, even if it comes, because it's normal. It will surely come. Try and kill it. Say no to it. Don't allow it to eat you up. Again, if you are sitting there thinking that there is nothing left for you to do, there's actually something to do here on YouTube. You don't even need to show your face, just like the young man said. And he's running 9 different channels. Now, I hope that from this post that I just read, you have learned a thing or two. Another thing that he made mention in that post that I almost forgot to say is, you don't need to be educated to run businesses. It's okay to acquire knowledge, to go to school and all of that. But if you weren't able to, that is not the end of the world. I dropped at SS3. I didn't further my education. I might not know how to speak the best English, but I know what I'm doing. I know what I want in life, and that is the most important thing. Some people go to school, they come out, and someone that didn't even go to school will do better than them in life. Don't think that because you did not go to school, for that reason you don't, there's nothing for you to do anymore. You are useless. No, you are not useless. You are not useless. As a matter of fact, if you know you are ready, if you think you can do this YouTube, you can just open and create your account and start today. Stop thinking that stop saying because of comments, negative comment, I will not open a YouTube channel. Well, that is it's up to you, but I'm telling you, I'm encouraging you to start from somewhere. If you know how to cook, come and cook for us. If you know how to educate people on some certain things, come and do it for us. If you know how to sew, bring that your machine, put on your phone camera, your phone camera or actual camera, record where you are sewing the clothes, where you are cutting it, where you are joining and putting zip and button. Record it, post, people will watch. If you know how to eat very well, put your camera, sit down and eat for us. So many people get appetite while watching other people eat. So many people love to watch those videos. As a matter of fact, those people get millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views. There are so many things you can do without showing your face. So please quit delaying, quit procrastinating or procrastination, whichever one you call it, and start up something today. So guys, I really do not want this video to be very long. Let me know in the comment section below, do you think it's a must that we all acquires education before we can be able to make it in life? Do you also think it's a crime to own 20 or 100 different channels here on YouTube? I don't think anybody would want to have 100 channels or even up to 20 channels. I mean, unless you have people running it for you. And this boy has some people running some of the channels for him. He's not the only one. He has made it to the point that he can now pay people. He has said it in one of his videos that I watched. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you've learned one thing or two from this post or from this video, from what I've said so far. Let us all try to be wise. You know, let's work hard. For me, right now, as of this moment, I think YouTube is the best thing that has happened to me in terms of earning money. Yes, probably sometime in the future I might get something way better than YouTube, which I don't know what that thing would be to be honest. But for now, YouTube is doing me so well in terms of income, and I want to have more channels as well. I don't want to have only 2 channels or 3 channels or 4. I want to have different channels. I can be able to even employ people and pay them, and they will be handling the channel for me. I must not show my face. I must not show my full self. You know, I want to have different channels as well. Do you think you can handle different channels? Also let me know in the comment section below and let's have a discussion there. So I'm going to go now. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on that red button below. It is very important that you also turn on your bell notification after subscribing so you don't miss any video. Okay, thank you all so much once again for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.